Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Today we will start exercise 7.6. Our first question is solve the following. First one is 2/3 plus 1/7. अब इन दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? अलग अलग है. So we have to take LCM here. So what is the LCM of 3 and 7? It is 21. So 3 7s are 7 2s are 14 plus 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3. So 14 plus 3, 17 upon 21. In the next one, their LCM is 30. So 10 3s are 30. So 3 3s are 9 plus 15 2s are. तो 2s पे है तो 7 2s are 14. 23 upon 30. Clear? Now the LCM of the 9 and 7 is 63. So 7 4s are 28 plus 9 2s are 18. So their sum is equal to 46 upon 63. The next one, their LCM is 21. 5 3s are 15 plus 7 3s are 7 1s are 7. The total sum is equal to 22 upon 21. The next one, their LCM is 30. 5 6 are 6 पे गए तो 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 5 1s are 5. 17 upon 30. In the next one, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So 3 4s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So 22 upon 15. In the next one, LCM is 12. 3 4 3s are 3 पे है तो 3 3s are 9. Now 3 4s are 4 पे गया तो 4 1s are 4. 9 minus 4, 5/12. Their LCM is 6. 6 1s are 6 तो 5 1s are 5. 3 2s are 6 तो 2 1s are 2. They're equal to 4 upon 6. Now the LCM of 3 4 and 2 is 12. 3 4s are 4 पे गया तो 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 3 पे गए तो 3 3s are 9. 2 6s are 12 तो 6 पे तो 6 1s are 6. 23 upon 12. In the next one, their LCM is LCM of 2 6 and 6. 2 3 and 6 is 6. 2 3s are 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 2 1s are 2. 6 1s are 1 1s are 1. 3 to 5 and 1 6. 6 upon 6 means 1. Now इस क्वेश्चन को आप दो तरह से कर सकते हो. एक तो आप इसे प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बना करके देन अगेन सॉल्व कर लो. एंड द सेकंड वन इज कि 1:1/3 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 + 1/3 और इसे लिख सकते हैं 3 + 2/3. तो 1 + 3 4 प्लस इन दोनों का एलसीएम कितना आएगा. अब हम इन दोनों को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 1/3 + 2/3. सो 4 + 3/3. सो 3/3 क्या होता है 1. सो 4 + 1 कितना हो गया 5. तो आंसर इज 5. और दूसरा मेथड है कि भाई इनको आप इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कर लो देन देयर एलसीएम ले लो देन यू कैन सॉल्व इट. इसमें भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे 4 + 2/3 + 3 + 1/4. सो 4 + 3 7. 2/3 + 1/4. अब 2/3 और 1/4 का एलसीएम कितना आएगा 12. 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3. तो 7 + 11 upon 12. अब इसे मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में लिखना चाहो तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 7:11/12. और इसे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है तो आप इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन भी बना सकते हो. 7 12 7 are 84. 84 and 11, 95 upon 12. In the next one, their LCM is 5. Now the 16 minus 7 is equal to 9 upon 5. Here the LCM is 6. 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 is equal to 5 by 6. So this is question number 1. Now come to question number 2. In the next question, question number 2, Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 5 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So total length, so Sarita bought is equal to 2 by 5 meter. So Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter and Lalita bought 3 by 4 of ribbon. 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. So total कितना हो गया? So total is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Their LCM is equal to 20. 5 4s are 4 पे गया तो 4 2s are 8 plus 4 5s are then 5 3s are 15. So it is equal to 23 upon 20. Clear? Meter of ribbon. Next question, question number 3. Naina was given 1:1 by 2 piece of cake. Naina get 1:1 by 2 piece of cake. And another one is Najma. Najma gets 1:1 by 3 piece of cake. So total कितना हो गया? The total they get is equal to 1:1 by 2 plus 1:1 by 3. So you can break in the simple 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Now you can solve it easily. What is it? 2 plus their LCM is 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So 2 is 2, 2 plus 5 by 6. So इसे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2:5 by 6 piece of cake. Okay, now come to the next one. Fill in the boxes. That this number is x minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Now transpose minus 5 by 8 to right hand side. We get 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Their LCM will be 8. 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 8 1s are 8, 5 1s are 5. 7 upon 8 answer. So box में क्या आएगा हमारे पास? 7 upon 8. Let जो box में आएगा वो है x minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Then again 1 by 5 को transpose कर दीजिए right hand side में. What we get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Their LCM is equal to 10. 5 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So 7 upon 10. So answer is, इसका answer 7 by 8, इसका answer 7 by 10. In the next one, let the number is x. So we transpose x to the right hand side and 1 by 6 to the left hand side. So we get x उधर जाएगा तो प्लस 1/6, लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा तो माइनस, प्लस से माइनस, देयर साइन विल बी चेंज. नाउ द एलसीएम इज 6. 2 3 are 6, 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 upon 6 is equal to x. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, so we get 1/3 is equal to x. x की वैल्यू 1/3. Clear? This is question number 4. Now come to question number 5. Now in question number 5, complete the addition subtraction in the boxes. 2/3 minus 1/3. क्या आंसर होगा? Their LCM is same, so 2 minus 1, 1, 1/3. 4/3 minus 2/3. Their LCM is 3. The denominator is same, so 4 minus 2, 2/3. Their denominator is also same. Now their denominator is same. We have to add them. So 4 into 6/3. Their denominator is same, so LCM is 3. Now add them. 2 plus 1, 3. So 6/3 minus 3/3. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 upon 3. So this is the answer. In the next one, 1/2 plus 1/3. Their LCM is 6. Their LCM is 6. So 1/2 plus 1/3. LCM is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Then you simply add them. 3 plus 2, 5. 5/6. Here their LCM is 12. Now 3 4s are 4 1s are 4. 4 and 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 4 or 3, 7. You can add in your rough work also. Now their subtraction. Their LCM is 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Their LCM is 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Their LCM is 12 and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So you can also perform by yourself. You can do this question by yourself. So 5/6 minus 7/12. You have to show by explaining these. The LCM is 12. 6 to the 12. 2 5s are 10. Minus 7. 3/12. Like this. Now come to the question number 6. A piece of wire 7/8 meter long, broken into 2 pieces. One piece of 1/4 meter, and what is the length of other piece? So let other piece is equal to x meter. So ATQ according to question, x मीटर ये है, दूसरा पीस कितना था 1/4, टोटल लेंथ कितनी हो गई 7/8. So if we transpose 1/4 to the right hand side, we get x is equal to 7/8 minus 1/4. This implies it represents the next line. Okay. Now their LCM is equal to 8. LCM is equal to 8. So 8 1s are 8, 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So answer is 5/8 meter. In the next one, Nandini house is 9/10 kilometer from her school. She walks some distance. She walks some distance and then took a bus for half of the kilometer to reach the school. How far she walk? Let she walk x meter, x kilometer. Okay, अगर x किलोमीटर she walk और she journey by bus. She did journey by bus is equal to 1/2 kilometer. So according to question, total distance कितना हो गया 1/2 plus x is equal to 9/10 kilometer. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Their LCM is 10. So 9 minus 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 4 upon 10 kilometer. Or simply you can say 2 by 5 kilometer. Next question, question number 8. Asha and Samuel have the bookshelf of the same size, partially filled with the books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 of the full and the Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 of the full. Whose shelf is more full and by what fraction? So 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. Which is larger? Which is larger? On taking the LCM 30, we see 5 by 6 is larger than 2 by 5. So Asha's shelf is 2 by 5 by 6 sixth full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. I'm making it as 5 by 6 is larger than 2 by 5. So Asha's shelf is more full. And by what fraction? So Asha's shelf is more full than Samuel's by, इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन कर दीजिए, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. Their LCM is 30. 5 5s are 25 minus 6 2s are 12. So 13 upon 30. 13 upon 30 fraction. By fraction, it is more full. Now the next one, Jaidev take 2:1/5 minute. Jaidev take to cross to school ground in 2:1/5 minute. अब यहां पर ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है और यहां पर है ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, तो दोनों को सेम मेथड में रखना होगा. अब हम इसे भी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बना लेते हैं. 5 2s are 10 and 1 11/5 मिनट. सो जयदेव का अमाउंट इतना आ गया. नाउ जयदेव के बाद है राहुल. राहुल टेक्स टू क्रॉस स्कूल ग्राउंड is equal to 7/4 minutes. अब who is larger? 11/5, as 11/5 is more than 7/4. अब इसे कैसे पता लगेगा डायरेक्ट कि ये कौन बड़ा है? सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दीजिए हमेशा. 11 4s are 44 और 7 5s are 35. 44 is more than 35, so 11/5 is more than 7/4. Clear? Now the difference is equal to 11/5 minus 7/4. Their LCM is 20. So 44 minus 35, 9/20 by fraction. Okay.